Welcome everyone to the Perfect Storm Trading Channel. It is Thursday morning, the 11th of November 2021. Jump back to the Astro Excel chart today. We've been tracking pretty good this week here. We got that down move yesterday, back up overnight. You can see I've got the red trend lines tracking the activity here. The green line bumps and peaks out right here where the blue line bottoms, so we've got a little polarity flip there. But anticipating the green line to dominate, so we should get a high up here in this area, and then we should track down to where the green line and blue line both bottom right here around 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, and then both lines reverse and push back up, and then we're going to peak out here this afternoon. We could flatline for a while, get a little push down into the early morning, then tomorrow both lines go bullish. So that's the pattern coming into play today and through tomorrow morning. Moving to the Vedic chart, you can see the windows from yesterday, which I did not put in the video. We had the initially this low came in the B1 panel white window, and then we got this rally back to a high. We got a short trigger at the beginning of the white window on the A2. It went down to the end of the window. End of the window triggered it back up. Now we've got these overlapped windows for today. So we're just at the point here of leaving the A2 window. We're in this much bigger A3 window. So what we're going to look to do is consolidate those points of time into the white window in the A2 block here, and that window is 917 to 1225. The key points in that window being around the open, right before the open, and then again on the green block around 1146 here. Then in the afternoon we have the transition in the B1 block from red to bright green. Here this window overlaps the bigger A3 window. Two of the key points in there are this 1452 and then late in the day at 1540, 1545 area. This red line is where the green line and blue line both bottom, sorry, the red rectangle. So both of the green and blue bottom here, so this could be the important point this afternoon where we transition on the B1 block, lower left corner here, the B1 block, where the B1 block goes from red to green right there. That's where the blue line and green line on the Astro Excel moon bottom. So that could be the key point for today. So let's leave it there for now, and we'll be back again on Friday with another video. We'll see you then.